Oh, good morning. We're here in beautiful Kaiawa. We're staying at the, I think it's called the rail trail terminus. It's a free camp just basically on the outskirts of Kaiawa, just north of Kaiawa. So yeah, we've had the last couple of nights here, and we're going to head off this morning and probably go further up the coast. Hi, I'm Darren.
I'm Shelly. We've chosen early retirement and a life of freedom, adventure and the unknown.
So for the next few years we're going to be travelling around our beautiful country of New Zealand in our caravan, and then at a later stage some more overseas travel.
So subscribe and come along with us as we embark on our next adventure.
Hopefully the weather stays like this. It's absolutely stunning at the moment. We had a bit of a rainy day yesterday, so we didn't do a hell of a lot. But today is, absolutely stunning. So, on rainy days, when you can't get out and do anything else, out comes a Monopoly board. So, hopefully we'll have a better day tomorrow, but for the moment, I'm getting thrashed in Monopoly. So.
Trafalgar. Oh, $20 please. So rude.
So I'll take you down here for a bit of a look. There's a playground just down here, so if you're here with kids or grandkids, there's somewhere for them to have a bit of a play around. This is a new toilet block they're putting in here, but at the moment they've got 4 portaloos here. But yeah, that looks quite a flash looking unit when it's finished. It'll be nice. Yeah, so there's a playground here for the kids, and then just across the road over there, there's the pink shop, the Kaiawa pink shop. So, you know, any bread and milk and bits and pieces you want. I think they do, your pies and sausage rolls and sandwiches and what have you for takeaways as well. So, very handy to where we're staying. Yeah, so we've just come along here to Waihopuhopu, and we're staying at a pop just behind me here. run by Murray and Margaret, and yeah, it looks like a really nice spot actually. You can see there's room there for quite a few caravans and motorhomes. And then on the opposite side of the road here, looks like a very good fishing spot for this afternoon. So I think I'll probably put the drone out here later on and see what we get. It'll be an incoming tide at the moment. Yeah, so I'll give it a 2 or 3 hours and I'll put the drone out and see how we go. Well, we had another really good sleep last night. Nice and quiet here. There's no real noise on the road there overnight. It's really good. Yeah, so this morning we're just going to go up to the dump station, dump off a little bit of grey water and toilet cassettes, and then I'll probably try and get a bit of editing done this afternoon, and then maybe put the drone back out. So yeah, we'll see how we go. So I just come up here to the dump station, which is just up from where we're staying at the Pop, and it says porta potties and cassettes only, so there's actually nowhere along this coastline for dumping your grey water. It's turn it around. Yeah, it's basically only your porta potties or cassettes. So yeah, I guess we'll just have to hold on to our grey water and dump off when we start heading back towards Thames. So I guess that's just something to be aware of if you are coming up here. Just make sure that that you've got plenty of grey water capacity available, because there's nowhere to dump off. Well, good morning. Another beautiful day here at Kaiawa. We went out fishing again late yesterday afternoon with the drone, but we had some problems with it not connecting properly to the remote, so unfortunately our fishing came to a grinding halt. So I think we'll probably head back to Thames today, this morning, and we'll stay there for a couple of days, and then we'll make our way up the other coast to towards Coromandel. So yeah, that's our plan for today. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, if you could, that would be fantastic. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share the video if you like it. And I guess we'll see you in the next one, which will be from Thames. So yeah, see ya.